In this video, I will show you how to change the default input source on your LG Smart TV. So if you actually want your LG Smart TV to automatically get to a particular input source once you turn it on, as you can see over here, mine actually has 3 input HDMI devices connected to it, and you actually want your TV to turn on with a particular input source, then changing the default input source is what you should do. And to do that, from the home of your LG Smart TV, you just want to scroll down with your remote control and then get to the home dashboard over here. And from here, you want to go ahead and long press on the input source you want to be used as your default input source on your LG Smart TV. So what you want to do is to go ahead and select it. So if I want to use HDMI 1, for instance, what I'll do is to just go ahead and select HDMI 1 and then just long press like so on it. And automatically, this particular input source becomes my default input source. But for this to completely work out for you, there is one more thing you have to change from the settings of your LG Smart TV. So what you want to do is to go ahead and press on the settings button on your remote control to bring out these settings over here. Now once this comes up, you just want to scroll down until you get to all settings over here. Click on it. Now you want to scroll down until you get to general and then navigate to the right hand side. Now what you want to do is to just scroll down until you get to system settings over here. Click on it as well. Now from here, what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on additional settings. Now scroll down and click on home settings, and at this point you want to go ahead and turn off home auto launch. And from now henceforth, whenever you turn on your LG Smart TV, you will automatically be taken to the particular HDMI input source that you actually use as your default input source. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.